What's up, guys? It's 402 Show here. Just bringing you guys a small unboxing video today. Shouldn't be too long of a video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail today. I already cut the box open because I'm one-handed right now, but I'll cut the other one open after I get this one out. So, you guys can probably tell by the title of the video what these are. These are from the guys over at Gearhead. Over at Gearhead, and these are their Gen 3R turbos. These are for the Taurus SHO and MKS, and I believe the Flex and the Explorer also. The Explorer Sport, not the ST. Two different engines. Ooh, these things look nice. Here, I'll put it up on the table for some more light. Oops. Come on. Let's move this stuff out the way. But dang. These things look nice. Oh yeah, that is definitely a lot bigger. Holy crap. So, with the ones that I got, they are just, how can I put this? They're not OEM housings, I believe. On the OEM housings, I think you would have the Ford Moco right here. On the turbo, on the, shoot, I can't even think right now, I'm so excited. On the compressor side. But I just think these are just regular ones off of, I have no clue, but I'm not gonna say they are when I don't know for sure, but I think they are. Someone can go down in the comments and correct me. But dang, I am just mesmerized by this. Being really careful. Oops. Just smack the pen. Oh wow. This thing is so cool. I've seen my turbos before when I did my downpipes, and I do know for sure that wheel was not that big. Alright, let me put this back down. Don't know which side this is. I get mixed up on the sides, but let me put this down. Here's the other one. That was an air cushion. This one definitely packaged a bit better than the other one. Making a mess here in the house. Grab this one. looks just like the other one. Except this part's different. Crap, these look good. Now the one little thing that I was concerned of when I opened this one is the lip on this. Like, it's really big and thick right here, but like right here it's a lot thinner. Only on this one it's thick boy all around. Dang. So on these ones, I believe they're just OEM wastegates. Might change those out, I don't know, but can't really see too much. Got my phone out. Oops. Can't really see too much. That's just the vane of the exhaust side. Oh, there goes my phone. Getting text messages. Oh, that one was from 802. Huh. Should probably go read that message in a minute. But here's the exhaust side. Wow. Well, there's pretty much a short little unboxing video. Don't know too much about these turbos, except that they're turbos, they move air, they need oil and coolant. It's pretty much, they're just upgraded turbos. Now these ones, from what I heard from another SHO YouTuber, is that the Gen 3 Rs are the biggest stock frame turbos that you can get. Don't quote me on that. I thought that's what he said. I watched that video like 2-3 weeks ago whenever it came out, so it's been a minute, but these are definitely the biggest stock frame turbos you can get. The Gen 3 Rs are gonna move. I can't wait. Oh wow. Well, I'm not gonna keep egging on the video with me just oohing and ahhing and wowing. So, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.